Hobbywing. Hobbywing. This is by the way. Would you like to introduce yourself?
No.
He's showing me around Hobbywing. He used to work here, and then he... Can I say that? No? I'll cut that out. Don't put this in the video. So as we all know, Hobbywing is the ESC and remote supplier for X-Way. What I didn't know before was that they also make the motors. In case you didn't know, Hobbywing, they do a lot of RC stuff, remote control stuff. RC cars, like RC boats, RC airplanes, drones of course. These are for agricultural drones. These are for RC boats. These are for FPV drones. ESCs for RC helicopters.
That is for the RC airplanes, this mean airplanes.
ESCs and motors for RC cars, RC boat. There's that classic Hobbywing remote for electric skateboards. So they do also a lot of agricultural drones, so they have like government contracts for that kind of stuff. This factory is huge. It's 4 floors. This is like the biggest factory I've personally visited. So that was the SMT workshop. That's, do you know what SMT stands for?
Service mounting technology.
Service? Or
Mounting.
Surface?
Yeah, service.
Surface mounting technology.
Yeah.
That's where they put together the microchips.
Yeah, into the PCB board.
Yeah, onto the PCB board. Hey, look, there's an X-ray.